Greatness, it's not inherited, it's not gifted, it's achieved. It's pursuing a vision relentlessly, no matter the obstacles. From the moment we open our eyes to the world, we are told stories of greatness. We hear about individuals who have achieved extraordinary feats, and we're often left to wonder, how did they do it? Is there a secret recipe? Well, the answer lies in the pursuit. Greatness, my friends, is a relentless journey. Imagine for a moment a mountain climber. The climb is tough, the winds are harsh, and the altitude is dizzying, but the climber doesn't stop. Why? Because they have a clear vision of the peak. They have a burning desire to reach the top. This is the essence of greatness. It's having a clear vision and the determination to achieve it, no matter how difficult the journey might be. But don't be mistaken, this journey is not an easy one. It demands constant effort, resilience, and a never-give-up attitude. Every step towards greatness is a battle against your own limitations, pushing your boundaries, expanding your comfort zone, and reaching for the stars. And here's the thing about greatness. It's not just for the few. Anyone can achieve greatness. You, me, anyone. It's not about where you come from or what you have. It's about what you do with what you have, taking that first step, and then the next, and the next, until you reach your vision. And so, as we embark on this exploration of greatness, remember this. Greatness is not an end state. It's not a medal to be won or a peak to be reached. It's a way of life. It's living each day with purpose, determination, and resilience. Remember, greatness is not an end state, but a way of life. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, let's delve into the roadmap to greatness, shall we? It's not a secret path, it's right there, waiting for you to step on it. First off, setting clear and achievable goals is crucial. It's like setting your GPS before embarking on a journey. You need to know where you're headed, what you want to achieve, and the steps you need to take to get there. Goals serve as a compass, guiding you through the fog of uncertainty and keeping you focused on your destination. Next up, maintaining a positive mindset. It's the fuel that drives the engine of success. Believing in your abilities, seeing opportunities where others see obstacles, and viewing failures as lessons rather than setbacks. A positive mindset transforms the impossible into possible, making you resilient in the face of adversity. Here's a crucial step: embracing challenges. Greatness isn't achieved on a smooth highway. It's conquered on a road filled with potholes and roadblocks. Challenges are not there to deter you, but to test your determination, to refine your skills, and to make you stronger. They are the milestones marking your journey towards greatness. Persistence, the cornerstone of greatness. It's staying the course despite the odds, keeping your eyes on the prize even when the road gets tough. Persistence is the grit that grinds your path to greatness. It's what separates the great from the good, the successful from the unsuccessful. And remember, the path to greatness is not always paved. Sometimes you have to create your own. Each step you take, each challenge you overcome, each goal you achieve, you're paving your own unique path. It won't be easy, but then again, nothing worth having ever is. So, gear up, set your sights, and embark on your journey to greatness. You've got this. Let's be clear, your greatness is unique, not matching others, but surpassing your own limits. We're all gifted with an individuality that sets us apart. It's our unique blend of experiences, skills, and perspectives that make us who we are. And it's this uniqueness that fuels our journey to greatness. You see, the path to greatness isn't a one-size-fits-all journey. It's a personal adventure, an exploration of your own strengths and weaknesses. It's introspection, about understanding who you are, what you want, and how you can grow. It's not about becoming someone else, it's becoming the best version of yourself. So often we get caught in the trap of comparison. We look at the success of others and wonder why we're not there yet. But remember, their journey is not your journey. Your path to greatness is unique to you. It's shaped by your experiences, your dreams, your challenges. So don't compare your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. Instead, focus on your own progress. Celebrate your small victories. Learn from your setbacks. Value the process of growth, the journey of becoming. Embrace your uniqueness, your individuality, because it's this very uniqueness that makes your greatness special. Remember, greatness isn't being better than someone else. It's being better than you were yesterday. It's about personal growth, about pushing your own boundaries, about surpassing your own limits. It's stepping out of your comfort zone, about challenging yourself, about daring to dream and daring to do. So don't just strive for greatness. Strive for your own unique version of greatness. Because your greatness, your success, your journey, they're all unique to you. For more info, don't forget to click the links in our description box below. Your greatness is unique. Embrace it. Greatness is as much a mindset as it is an action. It's about thinking big and then acting on it. Now, let's talk about the importance of having this greatness mindset. Imagine a world where every dream you've ever had is within your grasp. That world exists, and it's right between your ears. Your mind is the steering wheel of your life, directing your actions, your decisions, your path. It's where the journey to greatness begins. But how do you cultivate this greatness mindset? Well, it all starts with positive thinking. Positive thinking isn't about ignoring life's problems. Instead, it's approaching those problems with a positive outlook, believing that you have the power to overcome them. Seeing the glass as half full, not half empty. But positive thinking alone isn't enough. You need to visualize your success. Visualization is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your goals. It's about picturing yourself in your mind's eye, standing at the pinnacle of your success. Seeing the end goal, and then working backwards to understand the steps you need to take to get there. And finally, affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself, reinforcing your belief in your ability to achieve greatness. They are powerful because they replace negative thoughts with positive ones, helping to shape your mindset. So let's try an affirmation together. Repeat after me. I am capable of achieving greatness. I have the power to overcome any obstacle. I am on my path to success. Feel the words resonate within you, fueling your determination, your drive, your will to succeed. Remember, your mind is your most powerful tool. Use it to fuel your journey to greatness. It's not just about dreaming big, but also about believing in those dreams. It's about seeing yourself at the top and then putting in the work to get there. It's affirming your ability to succeed, to overcome, to achieve. It's about harnessing the power of your mind and using it to propel you forward. Remember, your mind is your most powerful tool. Use it to fuel your journey to greatness. Achieving greatness, it's not a sprint, it's a lifelong journey, and it starts with you, right here, right now. Greatness is not reaching a single goal, it's the consistent pursuit of excellence. It's waking up every day and making the conscious decision to be better than you were yesterday. You see, greatness is not an endpoint, it's a way of life. It's about pushing boundaries, challenging norms, and stepping out of your comfort zone. So how do you start this lifelong journey? You start by taking the first step, no matter how small it may be. Maybe it's picking up that book you've been meaning to read, or signing up for that class you've been interested in. Or perhaps it's as simple as making a commitment to yourself to approach each day with positivity and determination. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. So, don't be afraid to take that first step. It doesn't matter if you don't have it all figured out yet. What matters is that you're willing to start, to take that first step towards greatness. Embrace failure, for it is through failure that we learn and grow. Don't be discouraged by setbacks. View them as stepping stones, not stumbling blocks. Each failure, each setback, each challenge is an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to become a better version of yourself. It's a long journey, and sometimes it can feel overwhelming. But remember, you are not alone. You have the strength within you to overcome any obstacle that stands in your way. So are you ready to achieve greatness? It's not an easy path, but it's certainly worth it. Start your journey today and embrace the greatness within you. You can do this. We believe in you.